Welcome back. Quick update. This is, I don't know how many takes this is. It's like 2:30 in the morning and I am tired. Okay, green bean motor done. It is garbage. A lot of bearing material found in the oil filter. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will go into me taking the oil filter apart and you can see what's in it. If not, you can just listen to my babble for a few minutes to tell you what's going to go on for green bean. I'm going to try to go in as much detail as I possible about removing this motor from the start to the end. Then I'm going to try to go into as much detail as I can about building another short blocks motor for green bean, installing it, getting it running again, and keeping this whole series type of going. And then after all that is said and done, we need to get to the turbo, the GT45 Max Spring Rod Turbo that I want to get done before it snows sometime in whenever it is. But keep your fingers crossed, we can get everything done. I have a line on a motor, a used motor that we can use as a rebuild, because I think what I want to do is, this is my plan of attack, and let me know what you guys think, is before I take green bean apart, I want to rebuild a short block to have ready to do the, and in the meanwhile, I need to keep this car running, so we put oil in it so we can start it and move it so it's mobile. Not gonna fix anything, but whatever. And from there, let me know what you want to hear, say, think, comment down below, subscribe, pretty please. If not, this will be a documentation for myself and future generations to learn about LT1s when we're long and gone and YouTube is still around in the cosmos. I guess I'm amusing myself. I'm deluded right now. Okay, let me know what you think. Good night. Or good day. Or good whatever the hell it is. Peace.